Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone gets slow after iOS 17 update. So first solution, you have update your apps. So you have one of the first thing you should do is update all your app. The old version of app might hinder working with the new iOS 17, which can affect your iPhone performance and can cause problem like iPhone lagging after iOS 17. Here's how to do it. So you have open the app store, so then you have wait a few seconds. So you have click on Apple App Store icon ID. So you have scroll up, then you have click on update all, then automatically update all app on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have clear history and caches. Over time your iPhone accumulates a lot of data from your browsing history and app usage. Unnecessary cached data can cause your iPhone to slow down after the update. Here's how to clear your history and caches. So you have open the setting, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on Safari. So you have scroll up, then you have click on clear history and website data on your iPhone, then automatic download clear history and website from done. Then third solution, you have clean your iPhone storage. If your iPhone is running low on storage space, you might be thinking in iOS 17 slowing down my iPhone, or it could just be space issues to free up space. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, click on iPhone storage. So you must be delete from your uh, any app you have not used, unused app, so you have delete from here. And then fourth solution, you have turn off background app refresh. Background app refresh burdens the device and uses most of the memory and RAM of the iPhone. So it is advisable to turn off these features when you face any difficulty while using the iPhone. So you have click on background turn off from here. I have already turned off. Then last solution, you have delete unused app. You can enable the offload features. The app which can do not use delete them or free up space, some space on your iPhone. They get the detail of which app is using how much storage. So then you have open this setting again, click on general again, click on software again. So then you have click on any uh, app. So then you have from here, so then you have any app, so you have upload and reinstall, then free up space on your iPhone available. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.